What if I told you the entire video that you're watching right now was made by AI? No script writing, no editing, no voiceover, and I did it all in under 60 seconds. The tool, it's called Manus AI, and it might just put half the video industry out of business. In this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how it works, and by the end, you'll know how to turn plain text into scroll-stopping videos with almost zero effort. So if you guys have ever been to my Instagram or my Facebook, you may have seen that I do some of these videos where I'm like, hey, these are 5 websites you should know about. And then I list off some websites and that's it. Now I could swap this out with my own AI generated voice. I haven't gone that far yet with it, but it can be done, and that'll probably be my next step. And at that point, you know, I could be totally outsourced with these videos, but I don't want you to get caught up on necessarily the niche that I'm in, because this can be done in any niche. What I wanted to show you was that I went and I generated this with Manus. This is the actual, the video script right here in just a matter of seconds, okay? Something that would have taken me a long time to do to produce a video like that was done in a matter of seconds using Manus AI. Now, I do have some prompts if you're interested in them for Manus AI, for VO3, for ChatGPT, for DeepSeek, and I give them away for free. If you want to just leave a comment below this video, I will reply to you. Also, if you have any questions or anything to add, or if you just generally like what's going on here at the channel and want to say hello, I would love to hear from you. And then I'll reply back and give you access to these prompts as well for free, just to say thank you. But with that being said, I'm going to show you basically what I've prompted and how I got this result so that you can emulate it, and I'll show you exactly how to do it. And then I'll also show you how I think that you could elaborate on this and make money helping other people out and doing this for other people, or doing it to generate leads. And I'll give you a couple different ideas of strategies that you can deploy for that. Okay, so number one is, this is the script that I used, or the prompt that I used. Okay, so I said, create a 30-second faceless video script that explains the top 5 websites that will change your life. Format it for in-video, include voiceover script, scene descriptions, suggested visuals, and text overlay for each scene. So Manus said, I'll create a 30-second faceless video script for you. And it went to work and started researching. So I didn't have to give it any input on the websites I wanted included in there. It went and did all of that research for me, and it found them, and then it compiled it into a video script. And here you can see it said, here's the 30-second faceless video script formatted for in video. I'll explain what that means in a second. Explaining the top 5 websites that will change your life. It includes voiceover script, scene descriptions, suggested visuals, and text overlays for each scene. So here it is right here. It's on the right. 30-second script, and then it has it right here. It breaks down each scene, how long the scene should occur for, what the voiceover should be, which is amazing, right? Now, I can just feed this into my video generator, which I'll show you how to do, and then it does it for me. It breaks down what the scene should look like, fast-paced montage of people looking stressed while using computers, and it even gives the text overlay. And it does this for each scene. Okay, scene 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. So what you do is you copy and paste this entire thing. The whole thing on the right, you copy it. And I'm using invideocreator.com. That'll take you to the correct version, which is version 2.0 is the one I usually like to use. And you can just paste that entire prompt in here and click generate video. And the video you saw was the video that it generated. I didn't edit it. I didn't do anything more with it. That was literally it. Now, I did this for a second time because I wanted to see, like, was this just a fluke? Is this something that Manus can do over and over and over again for me? Because if you think about this, this is saving a ton of time for this particular use case, but this could be done for a lot of other uses. And I'm going to show you a use case that you can do that will actually make you thousands and thousands of dollars if you implement it. So the next thing I did was I said, I want you to create a 30-second faceless video script that explains how to save $500 a month using AI tools. Again, I said format it for in video, include voiceover script, scene description, suggested visuals, and text overlay for each scene. Okay, and same thing. It gave the voiceover script, tired of watching your money disappear. It gave what the scene should be, abstract animations of data flowing, stylized brain icon. each scene, it broke it down scene by scene. So I copied this entire script. I went back over to invideocreator.com, and as you can see, I normally use this version 2.0. So let's take a listen. You want to hear what this one did?
I'm sure you've heard the news. Saving money is easier than ever. What's the secret? It's all about letting AI do the heavy lifting.
Okay, so there you go. Again, great video, and InVideo does give you the capability as well to swap out the voice and choose any voice you want, whether that be you want to use a female voice, a male voice with a Midwestern accent, or you can clone your own voice as well and use that. So this combination has been super powerful. In fact, I like this combination right now better than VO3 even. VO3 is great if you're doing like cinematic type stuff, but if you're trying to just get these faceless videos out, this combination works great. Now, I want to show you how else you can use this combination to make money. I'm going to show you two different ways. So way number one is that you can use this to generate leads for business owners. So this is what the flow would look like if you're going to use it to generate leads for business owners. So you would go and you would create some pages, an Instagram page, Facebook page, YouTube, TikTok. You're going to create these pages, but you're not going to create them for a niche. Instead, you're going to create them for a location. So for example, what I mean by that is, let's say the location you wanted to target was Miami. You would create pages and name them something related to Miami. So it could be like Miami Vibes, or it could be like I Love Miami. Okay, so that's what you want to do. And you want to name them the same. Name the Instagram that, name the Facebook that, name the YouTube channel that. Then what you're going to do is you're going to enter a prompt into InVideo Creator, just like I showed you how to do, right? You're going to take a prompt and say, I want to generate a video for a plumber or for homeowners who are having leaky pipes in Miami, Florida, and we want to convince them to, give us a call. Now, if you're not sure what kind of prompt you should be putting in here, I'm giving you kind of like a, just like bullet points of what should go. But if you want the exact prompting language to use in this, I do have the Faceless Video AI generator, which you just come in here and you enter in your niche like plumbing. You enter in your location like Miami, Florida. And then you can put your phone number here that who you're generating the leads for. So you could find, if you're just generating leads for a random person, you just copy their phone number, paste it in here. But if you're going to use like a lead gen model where you're going to sell it on a per lead basis, you can grab a tracking phone number like from Dialhawk or something like that and put that in here. And then you click generate script, and it's going to give you the exact script to create these videos. And this tool is only $24 right now. So it's really, really cheap. And you can watch the video to see how it works in action and see the kind of output it gives you. But if you need more help with like prompting and stuff like that, this is a great tool for that we built. That is super helpful. And not only is it going to give you the video, but it's going to give you, or the script for the video, it's going to give you an irresistible offer in the video, because like just entering in plumbing, right? Plumbing can mean a lot of different things. It's going to tell you the best offer that homeowners are going to want in the plumbing niche. And then it's going to give a powerful call to action as well that tell viewers to call you or reply yes to the video, which is going to help the video go viral. So that's strategy number one. You take these videos that it generates and you post them to these location pages, like the Instagram page or the Facebook page or the YouTube page. And then someone watches your video, right? These 30-second videos about plumbing. They call the phone number, and then you sell that lead to a plumber in Miami, and they pay you, let's say $100 per lead. And this starts to add up. You get 10 of those leads every single week. Well, now you just made $1,000 a week off of these faceless videos that you just have these AI tools doing for you. So that's strategy number one, and that's a really, really powerful strategy. Now, if you want an even more powerful strategy, when you leave a comment below this video, I will send you to my training, which breaks down another really cool strategy that I'm going to touch on as well. And this strategy is really cool because this strategy leverages reviews. So the way it works is very similar, right? You go in and you find a contractor in Google under a niche and a location that you want to target, like here is Gravity Roofing, and you grab one of their reviews. Now the key is you want to grab one of their 5-star reviews here. And what you do is you take that review and you punch it into a tool like InVideoCreator.com. And you have InVideo Creator create a video reading off the review basically, but doing it in a way where it's like this Hollywood style commercial. So what you do is you create this video as a demo and you show it to the business owner and you say, hey, business owner, I created this cool video for you with your 5-star review because you have such great reviews. What do you think? And when they reply back and they say that they love it or whatever, you can sell it to them. Now, we recommend selling it for $625 is the price point that we found works best. But here's what you do, guys. You don't just stop there and charge them just for the video. No, instead what you're gonna do is you're gonna set them up on a recurring service for $99 per month. And for $99 a month, you're gonna create them 4 of these videos every single month. Now it's really easy because you're going to just use these AI tools to create the videos for you. But you charge them a one-time fee of $625 to set it up, and then you make $99 every single month for creating 4 of these videos and posting it to their social media accounts for them. And it's really easy. You just go into their reviews, you copy the review, you paste it into the tool, it spits out a video with the review, so you don't even have to come up with the content, and it does it all for you. So again, if you leave a comment, I can reply back to your comment. Just let me know that you want more information on this strategy, and I can send you the full blueprint. I've got all of the prompts that I use because there's specific prompting that makes it really easy to actually, tell the AI, hey, this is what I want you to do with this review, and I want the video to look like this. And it just simplifies it for you. And if you want that blueprint, I can send that over to you if you just leave a comment. So those are 2 ways, guys, that you can get monthly income flowing in and make literally thousands of dollars a month with this strategy. So go out there, take action on one of these 2 methods, or if you're just looking to improve your workflow by using Manus and InVideo Creator and these different AI tools, hopefully this gave you some inspiration to do that. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to leave a like on it, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and leave me a comment. I'd love to hear from you and answer any questions that you have. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. I am Paul James. Peace out.